We'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We have reached to positive MACD and we're at overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we still remain in positive MACD as well, and we're seeing signs of a converge and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. We did bounce right off the 50 moving average, this yellow line, which will act as our temporary support at a price of $2.71. As we extend that to the daily chart, we have now reached to positive MACD. As for the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $9.45, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $10.47, and my stop loss is at $9.07. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $10.67, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $9.86, and my stop loss is at $10.88. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 6 to 12%, and to the downside, it has a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and a 33% chance to climb between 12 to 19%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.